Guys, welcome back. Today we have a really cool another dollar store toy. This one was $2 and it's a Mon toy dig your own treasure. So there's this really cool sand type thing treasure bag and the tools. And inside apparently we are going to find either gems or coins. So we're just going to start by ripping it open and getting right in there. To avoid a mess, I do have a plate to put everything on. So we're going to go ahead and just open it up and let's see what we have. So we have the little hammer tool. It is made of plastic and there is already a seam there. We have a little paintbrush for polishing the gems or moving the sand aside. And we have this, I don't know if you can see it, it's got these little teeth here for scratching. Now our bag is in plastic, so let's go ahead and get it out of the plastic. Now I've never done one of these, but I have seen other people do them, and it does look pretty fun. So let's go ahead, and it's already crumbling. But as you can see, it does have some detail. It says dig it out, and there is the nice patterning shape. So what we're supposed to do apparently is just scratch at it. But I have a feeling that this is going to take a long time. So I'm going to speed things up a bit with a bowl. And I'm just going to pour some hot water onto it, and we'll see if we can get out. Whoa, listen. Cool. And that's starting to break the sand up, and that should help us then, dig it apart. Now, if you're going to use hot water, make sure you ask for help. And it's turning it into this clay. Look at the clay. So let's go ahead and try to get this apart. I think what we might need is some more hot water. Okay. Let's pour a little bit more. Can you hear it sizzling? Listen. Good thing we put our plate down, because this is a little messy. There we go. Now we can break it apart a lot easier. Let's try this hammer. Yeah, that's not really working. So here is the first thing that we found, and it is a little plastic coin. It's not even a real coin. And I see something else right there. Look at that. There's the coin impression. No. Let's keep on digging because I can see some yellow. Do you see the yellow right there? Let's keep digging and digging. There. What did we find in this one? Oh, another plastic coin. This time it's gold. Okay, is there any other? I'm hoping for a jewel or a rhinestone. Make it a mess. And that's all. Oh, wait, there, right there. There's a little something. Oh, this is a messy digging. So definitely make sure if you're doing this that you have a plate or a bowl. And you know what? It turned into nothing. Okay, so there is literally just 2 plastic coins, because that's just clay. Well, I am disappointed. Out of all of that, we ended up with a blue mess and 2 coins. I mean, we can use the coins in our cash box. I was really hoping to find some jewels. But yeah, that's it. That's all we got. I don't know. Have you guys done these before? What's your opinion on them? Should I keep trying to break it apart? Because it's just becoming messy and and hard clay. I don't know. Well, let me know in the comments if you had fun with this and if you would purchase this. If not, I will see you next time. Have a great day, guys.